You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dog breed. If you want to learn more dog breed names that people definitely get wrong and mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to many more at the end of the video. You can learn a lot more. Originally from Siberia, the eastern side of Russia, the English pronunciation here is as Samoyed. Yes, I know, it is a bit confusing. It's confusing me too. Samoyed. Okay, so it's not Samoyed. 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 English pronunciation. Listen carefully again. Samoyed. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Samoyed. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.